IFM News. Lotto results.
Magandang morning, Idol Lawrence. Ito yung PCSO Lotto resulta yung manipo din 9 p.m. draw. Kaya paramet, iti Ultra Lotto 658, winning combination star number 17, 31, number 50, 43, 15, and 10 with a jackpot price of 75 million pesos. Awan din nagasat na milyonaryo. Paramet ito Super Lotto 649, and the winning combinations are number 25, 4, 46, 44, 28, and 36 with a jackpot prize of 171,028,544 and 44 centavos. At the mesa nga nangaba, congratulations. Para mediti Lotto 642, winning combinations are number 6, 37, 23, 2, 39, and 31 with a jackpot prize of 10 million pesos. At the mesa nga nangaba, congratulations. Adado nga nangaba, manipo di 9 p.m. droid dirabi. Kadwa iti 99.5 IFM Lawag siyak ni Idol Shanti Papi Tatak IFM.